In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open TradingView account in laptop/PC. By the end of this video, you'll have a new TradingView account created on your computer and be ready to sign in. First, access the website. Open your preferred web browser on your laptop or PC. Click into the address bar at the top, type tradingview.com and press Enter. Wait for the TradingView homepage to load. You should see the TradingView branding and charts on the screen. If the page doesn't load, check the spelling in the address bar and try again. Next, start the sign-up process. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the page and click the user icon. It looks like a small profile silhouette. This opens the account menu so you can begin creating your TradingView account. From here, choose your sign-up method. In the menu or pop-up, click Sign In. You'll see the available options to create your account, such as Google, Facebook, email, and others. Click the method you prefer to use. The screen will update to match your choice. If a small window opens, keep it in view and follow along on that window. Now confirm your details to complete registration. Follow the prompts on screen to set your username and password. If you're using email, click into the email field and type your email address carefully, then create a secure password you can remember. If you chose a social sign-in like Google or Facebook, select your account when prompted and allow access so TradingView can create your profile. On the username screen, click the field and type the username you want to use on TradingView. Watch for any messages about availability. If the name is taken, try a small variation. When all required fields are filled, look for the Continue, Create Account, or Complete button and click it. At this point, give the page a moment to process your information. You may see a short loading message. Once that's done, the screen will refresh and you should be signed in automatically. Check the top right corner again. You should now see your profile avatar or your chosen username where the user icon was. This confirms your new TradingView account is active on your laptop or PC. If anything doesn't look right, use the back button once, then repeat the last prompt carefully. Make sure you enter your details exactly as requested on screen. If you mistype your email or password during setup, correct it before you continue. The prompts will guide you step by step. And you can move forward only when each field is valid. Now that you're signed in, you can stay on this page and continue using your new TradingView account. Your login status will persist in this browser, so you won't need to repeat these steps each time you visit, unless you sign out or clear your browser data. If you plan to use TradingView frequently, consider bookmarking tradingview.com in your browser so you can return to your charts faster next time. To recap the flow you just completed on your laptop or PC, you open tradingview.com in your browser, click the profile icon in the top right, selected Sign In to view the available sign-up methods, chose the method you prefer, and followed the on-screen prompts to set your username and password to finish registration. Seeing your profile in the top right confirms everything worked. Your TradingView account setup is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.